Need to change where your downloaded files are saved in Mullvad browser? In this video, I'll show you how to choose a new download folder and how to make the browser ask you where to save files each time you download something. Start by opening Mullvad browser. Then click the three-line menu button in the top right corner and select Settings. In the left-hand menu, make sure General is selected. Scroll down until you reach the Files and Applications section. Under Downloads, you'll see your current download location. To change it, click Browse. Select the folder where you'd like future downloads to be saved, then confirm your choice. From now on, files will automatically be downloaded to that location unless you choose a different option. You'll also find the Always Ask You Where to Save Files setting. Turn this on if you want Mullvad browser to ask you to choose a save location every time you download a file. This can be useful if you regularly save different types of files to different folders. If you prefer all downloads to go to the same folder automatically, simply leave this option turned off. And that's how you can change the download location in Mullvad browser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.